Today is your lucky day. A move-in condition Colonial on one of the quietest, most convenient streets in Yorktown Heights. You will love the curb appeal and the gorgeous level property the minute you pull up. A truly traditional, regal home. Do you enjoy gardening? Then the greenhouse and gardens will surely be of interest, and it's certainly a home for all seasons with a fabulous sunroom, fireplace in the family room and updated kitchen. An ideal home for entertaining, tons of storage throughout, spacious rooms, new hot water heater, 2022, hardwood floors, solar panels so your electric bills are really low. This home has it all. Make an appointment today to see this one.